All right, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and create an article in Western Students. And to do that, you'll have to make sure you're logged in your account. You'll see the blue bar here. You're going to go create article, and now you'll see the editor. So for this one, we're just going to enter in some sample text, kind of show you the process. You'll put a title in. You will not put anything in the alias. So you don't need to worry about that. The system will provide an alias for you. Then we're going to copy some text in. And there's two ways you can do it. You can basically paste it right in. Now, you're going to want to review this a little bit, depending on what version of Word you have and things like that. You may have to do some cleanup, so kind of keep that in mind as you're going through the process. If you're using an older version of Word, you can click right here and then copy and paste the information in. If you're using a newer version of Word like 2010, you should be able to copy and paste the stuff in. They use a newer code, so that'll work out pretty good. Once you get done with that, you can click there, enter in the bottom. And let's say we want to put a bunch of images with this, like is an image gallery. We can click right here on the Simple Image Gallery Pro. You're going to get a little pop-up that's going to come up. We're going to create a new gallery. I'm going to call this one Lorem Ipsum. We can proceed. And then we can go ahead and add images. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to add these 4 Lorem Ipsum images right there. And you can see that they pasted in pretty good. We can go start upload. And we can go close. Now, what you can do is go ahead and enter in titles and descriptions in the process, and that way it has the information that you want it to have in there. Once you're done with that, you can click on Save and Close, and then you want to hit Insert right here. And you should see a new little gallery segment come up there, and it's going to have your information that you need for that user gallery. Now we can go down and we can put it in the category that we want. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and just put it in Student Government Academic Affairs Committee in meeting minutes. So you can go through the list and see which ones you want it to be. You can see there's all sorts of clubs and organizations from the college there. You just got to kind of scroll through and find the one that's applicable to you. So I'm going to go Academic Affairs, meeting minutes. All right. We don't need to put anything for author alias or any of this other information. You can put information, you can put keywords in there to help Google find your article a little bit better if you want. This one, we're not going to do it for obvious reasons. Then we're going to scroll back up to the top, and then we're going to click on Save. From there, the article is going to be created. It's going to sit in queue. And basically it's not going to get published until one of the administrators publishes it. I'll show you what it looks like though once it's published. You can see in the system that everything's come up pretty good. Text is fine, and our images are all there. If you click on the images, you'll see that they'll pop up. Nice little light box there, and you can show the different images through a scrolling box. So it's kind of nice to have that feature in there. We do review all this stuff, so kind of keep that in mind when you're posting stuff. Don't post stuff that would be negative against the college and things like that, because it will not get approved. So I hope that helps with how to create articles in the system. Thanks.